Hey guys, Roby here with another Divi engine quick tip for you, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Divi Form Builder. Now, I know that you guys are probably already using Divi machine accounts to build out these amazing dashboards for your customers when they visit your site. Now, on there, or on this example, I've got this archive loop here with the loop layout that's displaying these beautiful custom posts that I've created. And we're going to be using one awesome feature of Divi Form Builder that's going to allow you to add these edit and delete buttons so that the users can delete and control their posts right from the front end of your site. Now, again, you can use this on the front end, on the back end of your site. In this example, I've got a My Account area displaying all that user's posts, so that makes most sense to me. So let's go take a look at how we do that right now by editing that loop layout. Okay, so here we are in the back end of my Divi install, and I have my edit delete buttons layout that I made for this quick tip ready to go. Now, what we're going to be doing first is we're going to create a little bit of space for those two buttons. I'm going to add a 2-column row, 1 column for each button. Now, we can utilize that awesome module by just typing in edit, and you'll see the Divi Form Builder module, edit, delete, post. We'll add that in there, and now you just designate what you want this button to do, edit post or delete post. Pretty simple, right? So the first button is going to be the edit button, and here you can edit the text that gets displayed. So maybe we say edit me as the text there, and now you can also say that you only want this to show for the author only. Now this will be important when you are having this button available on the front end of the site, so that when any logged in user, when they see this, they can only see that edit button if they were the original author. I'm going to turn that to on or yes. Now you can also use a modal to display the edit form, and that would require you to just create a layout in the Divi library, but we're going to be using a page I already created. Now you can use the page that you use to create the post with Divi Form Builder from the front end. It's up to you, but I made a special edit classified type here because I don't want my users to be able to edit all the fields, only some of the most important bits. And you can also tell it to open it in a new tab. We're not going to do that. So there we go. We've got our edit button. Now it's worth saying also in the design tab, you can style this button to look any which way you want. We can go ahead and give the button a background color here and maybe get all the colors. We'll make it green for edit, and I am going to go and add our next button now. So let's put in edit again, and then we pull in the exact same module, and you just go click the drop down again, but now we're doing delete post. So we want to make this nice big capital letters because we want to make sure that the user knows what they're about to do. And I didn't mention this, but you can also toggle the button full width or just normal size. Now, and this is really all you do on this one. It's already going to know that only the post author should be able to delete these. And so let's just give this button also a little bit of a better color. We're going to add a red color. So let me just slide this back up here. Red, so people know it's dangerous. I'm going to go ahead and save my layout here now, my loop layout. And then really all I need to do is to go to the page where it's assigned, and it's here on the front end of my account area. I'm going to refresh this, and bam, we've got our very clear buttons that indicate what they're going to be doing. So if I click the edit button here, it pulls up my edit page form. So that is amazing. And again, this is Divi Form Builder, or a Divi Form Builder form we've got here, and you can see that it's got all the information pulled in here. So if I say cool house quick tip, let's save that and see what happens. There we go. Thank you for your classified. I'm going to go back to my account here. I'm going to click here on my for sale items. And cool house, quick tip. There you got it. Now, if I wanted to delete it, that's just as easy. You just hit that delete button. The page will refresh, and gone is that post. So guys, this is a super awesome feature to offer your site visitors to control their posts. And I think it is one of the best features in Divi Form Builder. So if you guys are not currently using Divi Form Builder and you stumble upon this video, Go check it out. There's some links in the description here. Like, subscribe for more quick tips from the Divi Engine team, teaching you how to make the best of your Divi site and the plugins that we provide for it. All right, guys, this is Roby with the Divi Engine team. I'm going to catch you in the next video.